Chef boy, I deep in my hood. Got no time to tweet. I just got to eat. How about number 3 from Mickey D's? And ooh,
Wait. No.
So yummy. Where's the ketchup? That's what I'm missing. Where's the ketchup?
Oh my God.
Fried chicken. I really like that with my bacon. With a side of fries and a nice apple pie and a large soda drink. Fried chicken. I really like that with my bacon. With a side of fries and a nice apple pie and a large soda drink. Man, I really want my chicken. Sounds so good. How about number 5? Oh yeah.
Baba Booey.
Fried chicken. Fried chicken.
Among Us.
Wait.
Among
No.
Us.
Oh my God.
Fried chicken right here. I'ma chop it up till you eat it. So crispy.
Yo, chat, why this game so fun, chat?
Fried chicken.
Disconnected.
Among Us.
Tastes so good.
Send you to Jesus. No, I don't want to go to Brazil. No.
Fried chicken. I really like that with my bacon. With a side of fries and a nice apple pie and a large soda drink. Fried chicken. I really like that with my bacon. With a side of fries and a nice apple pie and a large soda drink. I really like my chicken with mac and cheese and maybe some potatoes, please. Boy, your boy, this stuff is good. Chef boy, I deep in my hood. Got no time to tweet. I just gotta eat. And ooh, some Wendy's, please. Make chicken in my tummy. Yo, so yummy. Where's the ketchup? That's what I'm missing on my McChicken. Chicken. Where is the ketchup? I'm missing the ketchup. Fried chicken. I really like that with my bacon. With a side of fries. I really like that with my bacon. Side of fries and a nice apple pie and a large soda drink. Man, I really want my chicken. Sounds so good. How about number 5? Fried chicken. Oh, fried chicken. That's what I really want right now. So can I go? Oh wait, that's fried chicken right here. Fried chicken right here. I'ma chop it up, eat it in my mouth. So crispy.
No, I don't want to go to Brazil. No.
Timmy, get off the
Wait.
computer.
No.
Fried chicken. I really like that with my bacon. With a side of fries and a nice apple pie and a large soda drink. Man, I want some fried chicken. Tastes so good. Fried chicken. I really like that with my bacon. With a side of fries and a nice apple pie and a large soda drink. Fried chicken. I really like that with my bacon. With a side of fries and a nice apple pie and a large soda drink. I really like my chicken with mac and cheese and maybe some potatoes, please. Boy, your boy, this stuff is good. Chef boy,
Nope.
My hood got no time to tweet. I just gotta eat. How about number 3 from Mickey D's? And ooh, some Wendy's, please. Make chicken in my tummy. So yummy. Where's the ketchup? That's what I'm missing on my McChicken.
Yo, chat, why this game so
Where
fun,
is the
chat?
ketchup? On my McChicken.
Pablo.